In this video, I want to share with you what Qi Gong is actually used for. I'll let you know, read what's on my webpage, and then I'll actually go into my personal experience. So let's get into this. Qi Gong, what is it used for? Qi Gong is used to support the body, calm the mind, and restore a steady flow of energy within you. Many people begin practicing Qi Gong to reduce stress, ease tension, and feel more grounded in their daily life. The slow, gentle movements combined with mindful breathing help regulate the nervous system and bring the body out of a constant state of pressure. Over time, people often notice improvements in energy levels, balance, flexibility, and emotional well-being. Qi Gong is also used as a supportive practice for overall health, including circulation, sleep, and mental clarity. Rather than forcing change, it works by helping the body return to a more natural state of balance. If you are new to this, you can begin with simple movements and short daily practice, allowing the benefits to build gradually over time. So what happened with me? I was a professional musician for quite a while, about 10 years or so, and the music business started to implode in a way that it really wasn't helping gigging musicians, and I was losing my career gradually, and the stress and the anxiety was building up on me, and I really was finding it difficult to function at that point. And luckily enough, my wife and I found these Qi Gong practice that I actually took up, and I found the stress and anxiety melting away very quickly as the mind was starting to focus more on my body rather than what's going on in the outside world. With my trauma, my childhood trauma, it took me much longer. But at the end of the day, I found that the trauma in my liver, the anger in my liver, actually was appeased with all the work that I did. And it slowed down my heavy drinking and then virtually stopped it, which is quite incredible because the liver holds anger, and I was swallowing bucket loads of alcohol to appease that anger. And that anger slowly dissipated as I got deeper and deeper into myself, which was what Qi Gong does. It helps you to connect more deeply with your body. So what if you wanted to go further with me? Well, if you click on the link in the description, you can go to Qi Gong for Beginners. It's a complete guide to energy, health, and inner balance. It'll let you know all about that. It's a starting point if you're new. If you want to know about the healing power of Qi Gong, the ancient practice and the modern benefits, there's an article there, a deeper look at how Qi Gong supports balance. And if you want to go even further, which I really suggest, the live online Korean Qi Gong classes, which are every Thursday and Sundays, Thursdays at 7 p.m, Sundays at 11 a.m. in the morning. You can take them up and you can start to feel the benefits and let it gradually build on you. It's such an amazing practice, and it's no wonder it's been going for thousands of years, because it works. So click the link below to go through to this page we've just been looking at, and you've got these options to go further with me. There's also free membership at the Bright Beginners Academy, which is a great price for everybody, right? So I look forward to connecting with you again very soon in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.